The polar zones, alike opposite zones such as temperate and tropical, are impacted by seawater properties and oceanic processes in various ways. However, due to their location, have varying factors that influence this impact. Literature based on scientific research has been reviewed within different regions where specific methods were used for tracking, and results were analyzed to provide a thorough, systematic conclusion. The National Science Foundation's Ocean Observatories Initiative, or OOI, measures these variations based on properties such as chemical, biological, physical, and geological, in which several locations outside of the polar are tracked as well throughout the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, which provides an opportunity to examine the property differences and what the possible key elements are that impacted these measurements. Data presented within the table are based on 3 station array locations near the polar zones, including Erminger Sea Array in the North Atlantic Ocean, Station Papa in the North Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean Array in the Southern Pacific Ocean. The table includes a description of the data and the location of the station arrays. It provides an overview of each location, including its latitude and longitude and its depth measured in meters, with Erminger Sea with the lowest meters of 2,800 and Southern Ocean Array with the highest of 3, measuring 2,000 more meters at 4,800. Easy Coast defines chlorophyll as green pigment found in plants, where chlorophyll concentrates are indicators of phytoplankton abundance and biomass in coastal and estuarine waters. The chlorophyll A concentration with the 3 polar locations did vary over time at the surface, as indicated within the figure by the differentiations of UGLs. Measurements range from 0 to 25, and although remained low the majority of the time period, which as between 0 to 4 UGLs did drastically rise within a certain period as well during the late spring and summer range. As illustrated, for example, May 13, 2015, the chlorophyll A concentration was at its highest of the year with the Emergent Sea with a UGL of 22.87, which an example of the differences between the 3 locations over time. Naturally, primary production, or the creation of new organic matter, and phytoplankton, which Webb defines as drifting, usually single-celled algae that undergo photosynthesis, varies as well with the fluctuation of the concentration levels. Primary production and phytoplankton abundance are at their highest during late spring and summer months, due to the increase of light during this time. As stated, productivity increased tremendously during this time in the emergency. Photosynthesis is defined as the process in which light energy is converted to chemical energy, meaning light is the key factor. Phytoplankton and the abundance of other producers increase at the surface due to the light, where they are able to endure these factors. The main element observed are the major similarities between patterns in chlorophyll A concentrations among the 3 locations over time.